In today's video, I will walk you through how to transfer funds between wallets on Bitfinex. Bitfinex uses multiple wallet types to organize your funds for different purposes. Depending on what you want to do, you may need to move your assets between wallets before you can trade, fund a position, or use other services on the platform. To begin, open the Wallets section of your Bitfinex account. Here, you'll find the different wallets available, such as your exchange wallet, margin wallet, and funding wallet. Each wallet is designed for a specific purpose, so it's important to transfer your funds to the one that matches the activity you want to perform. Once you're in the Wallet section, scroll down and go to Internal Asset Transfer. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Next, select the source wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check that you've entered the correct value and confirm that both the source and destination wallets are correct before proceeding. Next, select the destination wallet you want to transfer the funds to. Review the transfer details carefully. Since this is an internal transfer within your Bitfinex account, the process does not require a blockchain transaction, so there are no blockchain network confirmations involved. Once you've verified the information, confirm the transfer.
After the transfer is completed, return to your wallet balances. You should see the funds deducted from the original wallet and added to the destination wallet. If necessary, you can refresh the page to view the updated balances. If you need to move your assets again later, simply repeat the same process. Internal wallet transfers can be performed whenever you need to reorganize your funds for different features available on Bitfinex.
It's also a good idea to verify that you're transferring only the amount you intend to use. And that's how you can transfer funds between wallets on Bitfinex.